Alright, so I will use these two vertices and move to the left so it is narrow, because once we extrude this we'll get thickness here also. So we will go back to our face, select this one and add an inset, scale it down slightly, and then again select those two vertices, this one, shift this one and move it to the right. Okay, then we will need to go back to our face mode, select this one, shift this one, and then we need to extrude it slightly inside. Okay, so we got these two windows, we got the front windshield. Now we need to get the back one. So again we will go to inset, scale, we can hit the E key to extrude inside, and then we need to get rid of this face, and there's one more. Okay, so we need to go to view, front, go to wireframe mode, shift and pan, and select these two, view, front, shift, select these two, move, and join them. Okay, so we got the back window, back lights, front lights, and this. Now what we will do is we will add colors. Object mode, so you can see how the object looks. We'll add two materials. The first one is red, second one is white. Red one has a red color, white one has white color. So red one is assigned to the car. We will go to edit mode, select the faces, this one, shift this, shift this, shift this, shift this, shift this, shift. Oh, this cannot be done. Alright, so these are selected, white, assign, and now that's our car colors. So what we did here is we need to select this, go to select, select more, you can see that we selected the extra and then we assign that. Same thing in the back, select these two, select more, assign. Okay, so these thicknesses are not matching, so you can either move it or not. Anyway, so now we will look at how to create this. So there's one bevel here. We should have beveled it first before doing these things. Alright, so now what we need to do is go to this face, shift select this face, only this one, and it has to be moved up, and then we will have to shift select this. We need more space here for the chamfer, and I didn't do it before extruding this, so we'll have to go to select more, select more twice, so we can then move this up also, and then we can move this one further up. Okay, that gives us this space. Then we select this edge. Okay, so we are trying to get this chamfer there. Okay, I don't think there is enough space, but let us do it first and see what it happens. Okay, so it is not going to be so once we bevel it, we will go to view, viewport, front, view, viewport, right. Let us go to right, wireframe, vertex, select these vertices, and then we'll have to go to global and move it up. Okay, and then this one can come out. Okay, so you get that bevel, and you can see that this has become thinner now. So we'll have to make this smaller. So we'll go to select more, select more, and then we will scale it down and make it thinner. Then we can move it further up, so we can bevel it further. So view, viewpoint, right, and then select these vertices and we can move them up. Select these and move up. And then if you go to B, select this, cannot do that, that's have to be deselected first. Move this if you want more bevel there. So that's the bevel in the back, and then we will do the same thing for the bevel in the front. Okay, so we'll have to do some bevel work as we didn't do it earlier. So we'll go to face, select this and move it up. Select these two, and then we will have to select again, same thing, more, select more and move it up. And then we can select this edge, bevel it, Okay, viewpoint front, viewpoint right, and then vertex mode. We'll have to select these and move them up. Can select this, and then here you can see 1.5, so we can try to keep it like this. Okay, there seem to be multiple vertices there, so you can select these, right click, merge vertices at center, then you can do the same thing here, merge vertices in center. You can select this and move it up, and now there is only one.